The former president of the United States, Mr. Donald Trump, banned from Facebook for at least 2 years. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and I'll be right back with the details to come. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. So Donald Trump has been banned from Facebook for at least 2 years. In an official social media statement, the giant has announced. The former president of the United States was banned indefinitely from all Facebook platforms in the wake of the January 6 US Capitol riot, in which his supporters violently tried to prevent the certification of Joe Biden becoming the next president of the United States. Facebook on Friday announced that it may allow the former president, Mr. Donald Trump's Facebook and Instagram account to be reinstated in January of 2023. At the time, the social media company will reevaluate whether the risk to public safety of allowing Trump back into the services has receded. This 2 year suspension will prevent Donald Trump from using Facebook or Instagram to broadcast to his followers until the 2022 US midterm elections. The company said that it determined the 2 year suspension was the appropriate length of time to allow a safe period of time after the acts of January 6 incursion, and it will also be a significant time enough for the suspension to determine whether Trump and the orders from which he violated would not be repeated in the future. In the statement issued by his office, Trump criticized Facebook's decision, calling it an insult to his voters and falsely claiming that the 2020 presidential election was rigged. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.